I welcome you all to the brand new section Cleaning Structured Data. Hey guys, welcome to the very first video of this section. In this video, we're gonna look at the most important step in data analysis. Before doing an analysis, you need to make sure that the data quality is great. And how you can make the data quality great? By just cleaning it. So most of the data scientists in industry spend time on things like correcting spelling mistakes, handling missing data, and just getting out the irrelevant information out of the dataset. So when they are performing some analysis, they're just moving in the right direction. Why data cleansing is important? It is important because if you are doing some analysis on junk data, which is providing some false information, you might end up in wrong conclusions, and that can cause great loss to the companies. And if the data is correct and each and everything has been refined, and if there are some wrong values in it, they have been removed, you might end up in great conclusions, and it is gonna save a lot of time of you and also increase the efficiency of the people who are doing some analysis on the dataset, as they won't have to go back and fix the anomalies in the dataset. Now we will look into some tips and techniques for data cleansing. So to begin with, you need to make sure that you have a copy of the dataset you are currently cleaning so that you can revert any wrong changes you have made. And always try to use some tools which is gonna make your work faster. You need to use spreadsheets, you need to use code, and this is gonna save you a lot of time. And there are also some cleansing softwares available. If I go to the browser to show you, here they are. And you can see that these are the tools being used extensively in the market as well as by many people to speed up the process of data cleansing. There are many out there. You just need to explore them and use the one which suits your needs. Going back to the slide, and there are some more tips I would like to give to you people. You need to assess your data before doing some analysis on it. Does my data make sense to me? You need to ask this question from yourself, and if there are any duplicates, if yes, if that is okay or not, you need to ask these questions from yourself before jumping into any data analysis. This is all about this video.